Okay, can you see me now? I just restarted my Wi-Fi. I restarted my mobile even just to see. I mean, something is working. Okay. Just hopefully keeping fingers crossed. We are back on the session, and I think the quiz is also okay. So yeah, I'm here. Are you guys here? Can you see me now? Finally. I just restarted my app. I restarted my mobile, and I restarted even my Wi-Fi. So that took some 2 to 3 minutes, right? So yeah, let's start with our session today. Okay, I can see it is working. Yes, there she is. Yes, I am here. Yes, so we are going to talk about what is a sex toy. See, sex toy, in my view, I mean, I won't say it's a toy. It's basically a sexual aid. Aid, you understand that it's a supplement. When you say supplement, it's basically a sexual aid to scientifically designed to enhance your pleasure at the right points. Right, so they are scientifically designed. They're designed in such a way to increase the number of positive experiences. Right, so and the oldest sex toy was discovered, I think, more than 2000 or 28,000 years back. So that was the phallus, मतलब पेनिस के शेप में sex toy था. That was discovered more than 28,000 years back in Germany. So sex toys have been ever for a long time. It's not that something that we have come to discover, invent recently, but yes, we have been more able to accept it, right? Otherwise, हाँ जी, तो ये था कि दे आर टेक्निकली मेड टू इंक्रीज द प्लेजर इन बेड, सो दे विल बी ऑलवेज गुड बिकॉज दे आर डिज़ाइन फॉर दैट. आई मीन, अगर किसी का पर्पस वो चीज़ है कि वो पर्पस बहुत स्पेसिफिक है कि it's all about pleasure. Okay, so don't be shy from using a sex toy. They are very important because like I said, they are designed to increase the pleasure. Now I can understand, a lot of people have this stigma about sex toy. मतलब sex in itself ही इतना बड़ा stigma है, तो sex toy का stigma तो बहुत बड़ा होगा. Okay, तो I completely understand. Now even I was at your place some months, some years. I mean, never in my life. It was just 2 months back that I started using a sex toy. Yes, so this is a sex toy basically. और तो हुआ भी ऐसे कि suddenly I was lonely, and then I mean, it was there lying on my bed. I was just rummaging through my clothes, and I just found that, okay, this is there in the packet. And then I thought, okay, let me see. So I was fiddling with it, where is the button. This is a sex toy, so this is a button, and this is the it can be penetrated, and this is like, you press the button, then it turns on, and it is a battery operated sex toy. हाँ जी, बैटरी ऑपरेटेड सेक्स टॉय है. इसके अंदर आप बैटरीज डाल सकते हैं और यू कैन यूज़ इट. लेकिन ये ध्यान रखना है कि सेक्स टॉय से भी सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है. सो आप यू हैव टू यूज़ देम रिस्पॉन्सिबली विथ केयर, एंड यू शुड नॉट शेयर योर सेक्स टॉयज, एंड ऑलवेज क्लीन देम आफ्टर द यूज़. सो जो भी मैन्युफैक्चरर होता है सेक्स टॉय का, सो एवरी पैकेट पे, जैसे मान लो ये सेक्स टॉय का पैकेट है, ओके, सो दिस इज़ अ रियल पैकेट ऑफ अ सेक्स टॉय. नाउ आई होप यू आर एबल टू सी दिस, क्योंकि लाइट पड़ रही है. या आई थिंक नाउ इट इज़ विजिबल. सो दिस इज़ अ पैकेट ऑफ अ सेक्स टॉय, एंड देयर आर इंस्ट्रक्शंस गिवन. ओके, यहाँ पे भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस होते हैं, अंदर भी there are like under the they have a slip, so there are instructions. उसको फॉलो कीजिए, प्लीज़ फॉलो कीजिए कि क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं, क्योंकि जैसा कि मैं कहती हूँ कि सेक्स टॉयज इफ़ नॉट यूज प्रॉपरली कैन गिव राइज टू सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड इन्फेक्शन दैट कैन बी ट्रांसमिटेड फ्रॉम ब्लड. बिकॉज कई बार सेक्स टॉय का जो बहुत इंटीमेट कनेक्ट होता है, सो देयर कैन बी लाइक टच विथ अ टिश्यू और अ सेल. सो यू हैव टू take care of that. Okay, now let's talk about how sex toy is accepted कि इतना टैबू है, मतलब हम किसी चीज़ को यूज़ करने की बात कर रहे हैं तो क्या हमें करना भी चाहिए, हम तो बात ही नहीं कर सकते. सो यू कैन रिमेंबर देयर वर 2 Bollywood movies which were like Love Stories and Veere the Wedding. Okay, so yeah, this is a massager. This is the massager. Okay, and this is a different vibrator. Here is the button. It's a mascara. It's a mascara. It's in the shape of a mascara. So amazing. I mean, they come in all different sizes, and it's amazing. Like I have these two, and there are like few more. They come in all sort of sizes. See, कोई स्टिग्मा नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि सेक्शुअल प्लेजर है एंड इट्स जस्ट अ टाइनी बिट, यू नो, एंड दे आर स्टिल स्मॉलर वंस. लाइक आई हैड अ फिंगर मसाजर, सो विच कैन बी worn on a finger. तो एक रिंग शेप में होता है. यू सी अ फिंगर, ओके, रिंग दैट यू वियर, and then on the top of the ring there is a massager attached. So it's a very small. So if a lot of people hesitate to buy big sex toys because there are some like big dildos and बड़े sex toys होते हैं, they can start with smaller versions. So they are like very cute and mini sex toys, and they give equal intensity. So there is always like high clitoral stimulation for women. तो ये था कि जैसे मैंने कहा कि आप जो हमारी शुरुआत हुई फिल्मों से हुई है, वीरे दी वेडिंग और लव स्टोरीज़ आप ज़रूर देखिएगा, जिसमें हीरोइंस वेर सीन प्लेजरिंग देम ऑन स्क्रीन. सो I mean they serve as a precedence कि हाँ, these things are more now accepted and they are a booming market. I mean despite all the bans and custom regulations, everything, people are buying sex toys. People are buying because the kind of pleasure it gave, oh God, I mean I cannot think. It was like for the first time I could understand, I could feel that okay, I can have सो मच ऑफ प्लेजर. मतलब कई बार लगता है प्लेजर मतलब हमें इतना ज़्यादा फील कराया जाता है कि नहीं नहीं, आपके अंदर ये कमी है, आप ये चीज़ बोल नहीं सकते, आपको सुनना पड़ेगा. लॉट ऑफ suppression happens, and then we say that can I deserve that kind of pleasure? So for the first time in my life I had the highest level of orgasm. That's true. And I was shocked, like, oh my God, can I get this kind of orgasm? Because see, women orgasm, believe it or not, on an average it is more complicated. Complicated as in it is simpler, but then you need to talk about it, you need to tell your partner how to pleasure you. But इतना ज़्यादा taboo आता है बीच में. The women, they themselves don't tell their male partners, and they are like okay, guessing and figuring out, and then ultimately it doesn't happen because she needs to be stroked at the right point. And sex toy know how to stroke at the right point because they are designed for it. Okay, so in fact now these sex toys are coming in all different type of shapes. Like I said that this is, where is it, हाँ, तो जैसे ये मस्कारा के शेप में आता है और भी different shapes में आता है. And if you won't believe, so Agents of Ishq founder, she runs a website that is on sexual pleasure, and she has actually quipped that Nokia 3310 जो फ़ोन आता था, Nokia 3310 फ़ोन आता था, that was actually used as a vibrator by women. I mean she is quoted saying this because Nokia 3310 में जो वाइब्रेशन होता था, फ़ोन का वाइब्रेशन, that was like a strong vibration mode. It made a lot of women get pleasure themselves by the phone. So you know that okay, we are actually trying with different things. I mean I have heard, as a hosteler, I have heard stories of girls using brinjals or bananas, like inserting in their vagina, because it's a very high energy. Sexual energy is enormous, and that is why most people run away from it because they cannot handle it. हम हैंडल नहीं कर सकते, ये बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग एनर्जी है. तो इसीलिए आपके अंदर वो एनर्जी बिल्ड हो रही है. नाउ इट वांट्स टू कम आउट. ओके, यू वांट टू हैव अ रिलीज. हाउ वुड यू गेट इफ यू don't have a partner maybe, or maybe you have a partner who doesn't understand how to pleasure you? I think both things remain the same more or less. तो उस केस में you can bridge the gap with a sex toy. I think there is nothing wrong in this. Nothing wrong in this. I myself tried. What I would recommend though is that you should not overuse it because there is a button. So like I said that there is a button. तो यहाँ पे अगर आप इसको बहुत ज़्यादा स्पीड में करते हैं एंड you are like addicted to it, then it can harm your genitals, and it has to be like really taken care of in terms of cleaning. तो कोई ल्यूब यूज़ कीजिए, वेमेन जो होती हैं ल्यूब यूज़ कीजिए, एंड then use it and then clean it, and sometimes you can even put a new condom onto the tip, so that if you are really inserting it inside, तो आप एक condom डाल सकते हैं, नया condom, so that you know it protects it, the surface. So also make sure to see for any scratches or any breaks on the surface, because उससे क्या, अगर कोई स्क्रैच आ जाता है या कोई ब्रेक आ जाता है तो उससे जर्म्स भी वहाँ पे आ सकते हैं, एंड दैट जर्म्स कैन रीच अप टू योर स्किन, बिकॉज यू आर यूजिंग इट ऑन द वेरी इंटीमेट पार्ट्स ऑफ योर बॉडी. तो यू शुड बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल. प्लीज़ रीड थ्रू मैन्युफैक्चर इंस्ट्रक्शन, क्योंकि कई बार इट डिफर्स. आई मीन देयर इज़ नो जेनेरिक इंस्ट्रक्शन टेम्पलेट, और अगर मिसिंग है तो इंसिस्ट आइदर चेंज द सेक्स टॉय, बिकॉज आइडियली every sex toy should have usage इंस्ट्रक्शंस. ओके, तो ये ध्यान रखिए कि कैसे यूज़ करना होता है, उसका इंस्ट्रक्शन रहता है. सेफ्टी बहुत ज़रूरी है. प्लीज़ बाय थ्रू अ गुड ब्रांड, चेक आउट द रिव्यूज़ ऑन द इंटरनेट, एंड yes, so this is definitely should be done. Now see, understand कि क्यों ज़रूरी है सेक्स टॉय. See, advantages of a healthy sex life is limitless. एक हेल्दी सेक्स लाइफ कितना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, आई कैन नॉट टेल यू. I mean, there was a time when I was having no sex with my husband, and it took a toll on me. Like, I was overeating. I did not feel young. I was just all of 30. और आज मैं 35 की हूँ, मैं ज़्यादा यंग फील करती हूँ. सो आई वॉज लाइक लैक ऑफ एनर्जी, ऑलवेज इन्वॉल्व इन वर्क, काम करो. एंड सो अगर आप अपनी बॉडी को डिनाई करते हैं सेक्स, बिकॉज सेक्स एक बहुत नेचुरल नीड है, अगर आप उसको डिनाई करते हैं या आप you are not able to reach up to that pleasure, it will take a toll on you for sure. And then you should, I mean, this is for the adults. I hope this is above 18 class. So this is for the adults and not even just 18. I mean, I suppose that you all are like working professionals or married women. तो हाँ, इसकी हम ये बात कर रहे हैं कि see, it's very much important. Sex is important. Physical, mental, emotional well-being के लिए important है. And it is not just about getting orgasm. It is about relieving stress, burning calories, headaches release होते हैं, ठीक है. So in that case, sex toy can be a great tool, just to make it a play kind of thing. Like playful होता है, like it is called sex toy. So it's playful and it reminds you that sexuality can be playful. Okay, so yes, brinjals and cucumbers and banana would be safer. I'm not sure, Devin. I mean, I won't know. This is something वो घरेलू जैसे रेसिपी होती थी, घरेलू नुस्खे होते थे, ये वैसा कुछ लगता है. I'm not sure. This is unreliable, so I will not recommend it. Male toys, Mahesh, I think vibrators are used by men also. There are anal butts. So anal butts होते हैं, basically that is used for anal pleasure. And then there are penis rings. Then there are a lot of toys that are gender neutral, that can be used by either gender. So penis ring होता है और butt होता है, anal butt होता है. You can just try and see. Okay, show us something for men. Devin, a lot of sex toys are gender neutral, so you can actually try. Blindfolds होते हैं, ropes होते हैं, paddles होते हैं. Okay, these can be used by men also. So just all you need to is look out for a good sex toy website, and then you can actually check out the reviews, check out the reputation of the website, that how is the reputation. A lot of times, even nowadays, a lot of media websites are covering about sex toys. So that's Pleasure, I Am Besharam, I think और भी बहुत सारे sex toy websites हैं. So just check out for their interviews on reputed media websites, and you can figure out that okay, which one to choose. But make sure it is something about your health. So be careful, and yeah. Okay, so now sex toys, it is a myth कि sex toy हम तब use करते हैं जब हम lonely होते हैं. See, it can also be that you are with a partner but you are still not having a very satisfying experience. So you're not having a very satisfying experience in the bedroom. It can happen. So it could be because you have a difficulty opening yourself up कई बार एक बहुत ज़्यादा इनहिबिशन होता है जो बेडरूम के अंदर भी आ जाता है. ओके, सो यू मे हैव अ इनहिबिशन about opening yourself to sex, and yeah, and maybe there is a disinterest. The sex drive, I mean, the sex drive is quite different. Like, for some people they have a high sex drive, some people have low sex drive. There could be some physical challenges like obesity, so maybe people who have a body shaming issue or who are obese, or even handicap, like people who suffer from a minor or major handicap. सेक्स लाइफ, आई मीन, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप डिसेबल्ड हैं या स्पेशली एबल्ड हैं तो यू आर नॉट एबल टू एंजॉय सेक्स लाइफ, बट बिकॉज देर इज़ नॉट मच ऑफ अ टॉक अबाउट इट, you end up actually thinking that okay, no, now to I cannot have. So in those cases, this is a perfect solution for increasing the number of positive experiences. Okay, so I'm all for sex toys. And yeah, now a lot of people think, in fact men have these कंसर्न्स कि अगर हम अपनी वुमेन को सेक्स टॉय दे देंगे तो उनको हमारी ज़रूरत ख़त्म हो जाएगी, सो दे विल रिप्लेस अस. सी, दे विल नॉट रिप्लेस यू, दे विल add to the experience, adding to the experience. Okay, so like I said that okay, you can use a multiple sex toys. Even talking about sex toys is a kind of foreplay. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ सेक्स टॉय है. देविन बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स कर रहे हैं, मैं देख रही हूँ. या सो बाय अ सेक्स टॉय देविन. तो दिस इज अगेन, it's a myth कि sex toy can replace human experience. No, it cannot replace. It can act as something, you have a lot of things to enhance the foreplay. You have candles, you have scents, you have massaging oil, so you also have a sex toy. Okay, it's just being there, like cute little small thing, very humble, not even like fighting, not even scolding, अपना है पड़ा हुआ चुपचाप छोटा सा. तो it's like okay, nothing to be afraid of it. See, it is you, the human, who is using it. You are gifting it to her, or you are using it on yourself. You don't have to get addicted. You need to be safe, right? You need to use it in the right way. So it is very important, because when I used it, I did not know how to use it. So first I was like, okay, trying, and I thought it's not working. So a lot of people may think that okay, तो कुछ काम ही नहीं कर रहा है, कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, but it can be because you have to use it in the right way. So always experiment, start experimenting with the sex toy. I'm experimenting not in the kinds of sex toys, but how to use it. Maybe you have to okay, sorry. Yeah. Yes, so it's very I would recommend it more for women, because it gives the right kind of physical and mental stimulation. Okay, and that can be complex business for men. And thus most of the women fake orgasm, मतलब faking orgasm जो है okay, so women are, most women have been so used to faking orgasms because they don't want to disappoint their male partners. तो एटलीस्ट आप खुद की बॉडी को समझ सकते हैं. बेस्ट क्या है कि सेक्स टॉय से आप अपनी बॉडी को समझ सकते हैं कि ओके, एग्जैक्टली हाउ प्लेजर वर्क्स, हाउ मच कैन बी अ प्लेजर, एंड देन इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल वे टू डू दिस. बट लाइक आई सेड, डोंट ओवर यूज इट. पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से भी बता रही हूँ, बिकॉज सी, आई ऑल्सो लर्न फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंसेस. इट इज़ नॉट दैट देर इज सम एक्सपर्ट, though I understand, I know as an expert, but yes, sometimes even in the initial phases when I was using sex toy, I was falling in love with so much that I was like, keep using it, kept using it, and then I kind of my vagina got sore. तो वो ध्यान रखिए कि ओवर यूज़ ना करें. Okay, even if you feel it's like okay, you are feeling so induced to use it again and again, but just control, restrain कीजिए थोड़ा सा. ठीक है, it happens, it can happen. So for partners, using a sex toy can help them talk about sex. Okay, so कई बार होता है sex talk क्या करें, sex talk क्या करें. Then it's a very good way to like okay, select what kind of sex toy to order, just scroll through the options. Okay, even discussing the features. So all this can form a kind of sexual conversation. It is all for men. It is all for men. Who are these women sleeping with? Men. Okay, so आपकी जो पार्टनर होगी आप उनके साथ ये कर सकते हैं. दिस इज अगेन फॉर द मैन. ओके, सो breaking the monotony, like I said, anal plugs, vibrators, restraints, paddles, blindfolds, and electrostimulation toys all are can be used for men. They are technically gender neutral. ठीक है, तो vibrator, anal plugs, restraints, paddles, ropes, blindfolds, electrostimulation toys are gender neutral and they can be used by either of the sexes. तो इसको ये कर सकते हैं. Then they know the right points. Okay, the best thing is like they are designed scientifically to get you pleasure at the right point. So stimulating your mind and body both. Wow, Devin, you actually checked out the website also. Nice. तो ये चीज़ है कि बहुत रेयर होता है कि कोई ऐसा सेक्शुअल एक्ट आपको मेंटल पीस भी दे, फिजिकल पीस भी दे. एंड नॉट टू से दैट सेक्शुअल एक्ट्स को हटा के सेक्स टॉय यूज़ करें. नो, आई मीन नथिंग कैन रिप्लेस अ ह्यूमन एक्सपीरियंस. आप मशीन तो मशीन ही होती है ना. आई मीन इट्स अ सेक्स टॉय बट इट्स अ मशीन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. It's a mechanical tool. So, but again, like I said, that I'm wearing this hairband. Okay, can you see this hairband? It's making my hair beautiful, but I do need hair which is like natural hair. तो ये वही चीज़ है कि आप तो ये वही चीज़ है कि आप इसको एज अ एड यूज़ कीजिए, एज अ सपोर्ट यूज़ कीजिए अपने सेक्शुअल वर्ल्ड में. आपकी जो सेक्शुअल वर्ल्ड है उसमें इसको एज अ सपोर्ट टूल यूज़ कीजिए. डोंट यूज़ इट एज अ मेन टूल. इट कैन नॉट बी बिकॉज इट्स नॉट ह्यूमन. Okay, and then talking about the last aspect of it, which is like very important, is that are sex toys safe? Because you are actually using them in the very intimate parts of your body. So yes, if you use them responsibly and keep them clean, they are safe. Otherwise, sex toys can pass sexually transmitted infections. So keeping sex toy clean, please listen to me carefully and do not, I mean, I'm just giving you some starting points, but always read through the instruction manual. क्या क्या चीज़ें होती हैं. कई जगह सेक्स टॉयज़ में कहा जाता है कि you have to use them with the lube मतलब lubricant, and even the type of lube. So it's very detailed. I have seen, at least जो मैंने लिया था उसमें. तो this is about the sex toys, like keeping sex toy clean after each use, and even when you're using in different parts of the body. So maybe if you're using them on your soles, जैसे सोल में भी कई बार टिटलेटिंग फील होता है, तो if you're using them back in the genitals मतलब वेजाइना या फिर पेनिस, तो make sure कि you have to clean them. Okay, and do not share your sex toys. It's a toy, but you should not hand over it to the friend. Okay, you try कि पैसे बचेंगे, because they are expensive. Pleasure doesn't come cheap. So these are expensive, like 2,000 to 3,000 is the starting range for a sex toy. But yes, it lasts. I mean, there is a lifetime, there is a warranty. So keep sex toy clean. Wash them after each use. I mean, washing, some sex toys are designed to wash, and some you can actually use some special. There is a liquid that comes along with the sex toy. So there is a special liquid that you cannot wash it by water. So use that special liquid, because that has like antibacterial properties. तो वो कर सकते हैं. And then you can use a new condom each time they are used. So you can put the condom and maybe use it, and don't share them. Follow the manufacturer's instructions very clear. And yes, always keep a check. Make sure you wash them thoroughly, properly, जैसा लिखा गया है. And make sure that there is no scratch, and there is no so even if I'm showing you after this session, I'm going to clean it. Okay, so I have this small liquid and then I can clean it, and I mean that's there. So कोई भी स्क्रैच ना पड़े. जैसे कई बार उंगलियां भी होती है, लड़कियों के नेल्स होते हैं, या वैसे ही हमने रख दिया, कहीं पे रख दिया, स्क्रैच लग गया. क्योंकि अगर स्क्रैच पड़ गया तो जर्म्स कुड बी प्रेजेंट, एंड दैट कैन इंक्रीज द रिस्क ऑफ इन्फेक्शन. Everyone's feeling so shy. Why? क्या हो गया? And the best thing, guys, is sex toy is not about like you don't have to walk into a mall and buy the sex toy. Most of these are available online, so you can actually buy them in the privacy of your own home, and it can be inconspicuous. So you don't need to go to a brick and mortar store and tell that the shopkeeper ki mujhe sex toy chahiye. It is all online, so you can just go and check on and log in and just buy it. Okay, so I think that was the sex toy story. And any questions? Let me see if some questions are there. किशोर जी, मैंने बताया है कि बहुत सारे सेक्स टॉयज होते हैं जो वाइब्रेटर्स ही मैन यूज़ करते हैं. Vijay, there are a lot of websites. You can actually check on leading, newspapers. They are doing a lot of reviews on sex toys. So just search sex toys, maybe, some leading newspaper sites. So I am based from, like, I think Devin has mentioned. That's personal. Are the two sites, but always have your own discretion. अपना discretion हमेशा रखिए. Careful रहिए. Check the customer reviews. चेक फॉर द नेगेटिव रिव्यूज़ एज वेल, कि अगर किसी ने कंप्लेन किया है तो यू सी कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कंप्लेन इट वाज. बी अवेयर, आई विल से. सो like what brand to be used, maybe you can actually check on the reputed websites that do publish time to time reviews on the sex toys. So yeah, that's about it. And please maintain all the safety. Your body is precious, and I want you to stay healthy. So दिस इज़ अ ट्रिकी थिंग. वाई सेक्स टॉय इज़ अ ट्रिकी थिंग? बिकॉज अभी तक एक ओपन डिस्कशन नहीं हुआ है. क्योंकि क्या होता है, जब कोई चीज़ डिस्कशन पब्लिक स्पेस में आती है तो उसके ऊपर यू स्पेंड इन रिसर्च, यू स्पेंड इन मेकिंग गाइडलाइंस, यू स्पेंड इन मेकिंग पब्लिक अवेयर. बट इन आवर सोसाइटी इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. इट्स अ टैबू. Okay, it's a big taboo, but thanks to movies like Love Stories and Veere Di Wedding, at least a small beginning has begun. It is there. When you see a mainstream actor actually doing it, okay, it was not for real, we all know कि fiction था, but attempt तो किया, right? The point is that someone has attempted to show it on the big screen that is watched by millions and families, and who not. तो वहाँ पे अगर आपकी रीच आ रही है, टीवी पे रीच आ रही है, मोबाइल पे रीच आ रही है, यूट्यूब पे रीच आ रही है, तो इट्स अ गुड साइन. सो आई वुड एनकरेज दैट एटलीस्ट वी कैन हैव राइट नाउ sessions like these are so important to at least say that okay, my experience was good so far. And yes, I would be very candid. There were a sex toy that I ordered and that was not working properly, but it happens. Like, you also order some other product and it doesn't work, and you can always have a replacement. So there is a customer service, you can reach out to them that okay, it's not working. और रिव्यूज़ ज़रूर चेक करें, मीडिया में चेक करें कि मीडिया में who are, or the reputed media, national news publication में अगर review आ रहा है, they are doing a feature on the company, then yes, you should do the background check, definitely. Deliver would not know what you order. Of course, I mean, it's not written on the parcel. वो तो parcel, normal parcel में थोड़ा लिखा रहेगा कि sex toy आ रहा है, आने वाला है. So I think that it was delivered to me in a normal parcel. And yes, they do maintain the privacy because it's an intimate affair. See, it's not something wrong. I mean, you are an adult and and this is like, a lot of people are buying it. I mean, no one will accept. But if you check the media reports, you check that it's booming. I mean, there is like, every time there is 23-40% growth, and it's a booming industry for sure. तो वो चीज़ है. Yes. हाँ जी. So make sure that you use it properly. I loved my sex toy experience. I'm so happy to share. See, मेरे the way I'm speaking, you don't see shame, hesitation, feeling. See, sexual pleasure is something that we all crave for, because we know it can send us to dizzying heights, like what kind of delirious states, right? And yet we don't talk about it. So at least, guys, I would request you all that at least on a smaller note, please start talking about it. Not about the sex toy, like you should not shoot off to sex toy, but at least about sexuality, pleasure, orgasms, foreplay, right? So how to boost testosterone? Nitin, I think you can actually talk, because it again depends on a case to case basis. Like, there could be a lot of people reasons why the testosterone count is low. So I would ask you to check it from the doctor. So thank you so much, guys. I know that there was a glitch at the beginning of the session, but I'm so thankful to you for being patient and staying. And see, we have been able to do a session on sex toys. So thank you so much for your time. Have a good sleep. Good night, and be the force, be empowered, and be educated. Take care. Ta-da. Bye.